If you're seeing a Gmail error 400 bad request, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by a corrupted cache, bad cookies, a browser extension conflict, or even an old bookmark with the wrong Gmail URL. The good news is you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes without changing anything major on your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. All right, let's get into it. First, we're going to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for a Gmail 400 bad request error because Gmail can get stuck loading old or broken session data. Open your browser, click the three-dot menu in the top corner, then go to Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time, so everything related to the issue gets removed. Then make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Once those options are checked, click Clear Data and give the browser a moment to finish. After that, close the browser completely and open it again before testing Gmail. Now, go to mail.google.com and try signing in again. If the error is gone, then the problem was likely caused by a damaged cookie or cache file. If Gmail is still showing the 400 error, the next step is to test it in an incognito or private window. This helps you check whether the issue is being caused by your browser profile, saved data, or an extension. To do this, click the browser menu again and open a new incognito window or private window. In that fresh window, type or paste https://mail.google.com and sign in to Gmail. If Gmail loads properly here, that's a strong sign that something in your normal browser setup is causing the problem. If incognito works, the next thing to check is your extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with Gmail and trigger loading errors, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or custom security add-ons. To test this, open the browser menu, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off your extensions one by one. After disabling each extension, go back and refresh Gmail to see if the error disappears. The goal is to find the one extension that's causing the conflict. Once you find it, leave it disabled or remove it completely if you don't need it. This is a very common fix, and a lot of people miss it. Next, check the URL or bookmark you're using. Sometimes Gmail error 400 happens because an old bookmark contains extra characters, a bad redirect, or a broken path that no longer works properly. Instead of using an old saved bookmark, click in the address bar and remove anything extra that might be there. Then enter the direct Gmail inbox URL manually. A good direct address to use is https://mail.google.com/mail/u/0/inbox. Opening Gmail directly like this can bypass a bad bookmark or a corrupted link that is causing the error. If that works, update your bookmark with the correct URL so the problem doesn't come back. At this point, if Gmail is working, you're all set. If it still isn't, the combination of clearing cookies, testing in private mode, disabling extensions, and using the correct Gmail URL solves the issue for most users. The key is to work through each step one at a time so you can identify what was actually causing the error. If this tutorial helped you fix Gmail error 400 bad request, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting videos. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.